Welcome to the Digital How-To series. Today I'm going to explain the custom reports section of Google Analytics. Before I jump into that though, let's just kind of explain why that section exists. So, as you know, when you navigate around most of the sections within Google Analytics, it pretty much presents a table of data to you. In this case, we're looking at users and certain actions that people have taken by channel. In different videos, we've explained how you can use secondary dimensions to expand or pivot that data. So, for example, we could do day of week, month of year. So, I don't know, let's do month of year. And then that data then gets spun round and breaks it out by month of year. This is really useful, but it's also can give you a lot of data in one view that's quite confusing, and you're limited to one secondary dimension. So that's why Google created the custom reports section. So on the top left here, you'll see customization, and then we can go to custom reports. So from here, we can create a custom report of our choice. So let's give this custom report a name, call it whatever you want it to be. So let's do this by, I don't know, location analysis, whatever you want to call it. And then more often than not, you can use an explorer, which is basically a navigable table, but 9 times out of 10, a flat table gives you the easiest set of data. And then you can create multiple tabs if you wish to, but let's just, for the purpose of this demo, create one report. So it's asking you what dimension you would like to segment the data by, and then what metrics you want to add to that dimension. So if I want to know by city what behavior is occurring, I could even add in here region as well. You get the idea. You can define whatever it is that the objective of the data is that you want to look at it from. In this case, I'm looking from it from a location perspective, and then from there I can define whatever metrics I want. So I want to know how many users we got from those cities and regions. I want to know the bounce rate from those cities and regions, and I want to know how many goal completions, i.e. actions, did people take. And then I can obviously add as many dimensions and metrics as I like. You also have a filter section where you could say, for example, I only want to have it when it was from mobile traffic. So you get the idea here. You can say, right, I want this dimension, these metrics, only where it includes or excludes any parameters that you put here, and then you can put in more parameters if you wish to. So in this case, I've said I want to know users, bounce rate, and goal completions, i.e. people taking actions, from the point of view of city and region, only include where the device category was mobile, and then if I save that report, it will then run that report and display that in a table view. So now we can see we've got 150 rows of data here, and now it's telling us city, Santon, region, Gauteng, or London, England, how many users there were, what the bounce rate was, and how many goal completions took place. And then obviously I can use this date picker to say, okay, I want to know between June, July and August, and then it will run that report and pivot that data out below. What I can also do here is comparisons. So I might want to compare that to the previous year as an example. It will now take that data and directly build that comparison into the table below. And that is custom reports explained in Google Analytics.